Carlos, time to demonstrate how to change tubes.
Why don't you put that pillow down so you save the floor? I think that moves those flies are, they just come up too easily.
Oh, fucking hell! Honestly, how many seconds is that? How many seconds
25.
You're about a minute 45.
How many seconds is that?
28.
Smoking cocksuckers.
This is going straight on YouTube.
Where are we at now?
We're waiting for you to rejoin the race.
Time.
45.
Just on by.
It's coming off the other side.
There's the Lantern Rouge.
Oh no!
See?
Okay, now two mechanics have pulled up on the
Probably
side of the car.
tired,
Matty, it can be the mechanic who pulls up on the side of the car and they come to help
It's a
you.
big unit. A 70-year-old's decided he wants to help you.
Yeah, 70-year-old guy just approaches Charles.
Yeah.
1 minute 15.
I think we could do it. Very impressive without the music, though.
Let's just see where the puncher is.
I bet he thinks they're under the beam.
Is it proven that I can do it though?
There it is.